Hello friends. Waving hand. Welcome back to my channel. Smiling face with smiling eyes. If you want to improve your English, learn new ideas, and explore interesting topics in a simple and fun way, then you're in the right place. Today's topic is very interesting and useful, so watch this video till the end and don't miss any important points. Now, let's get started. Rocket.
Good morning, Arjun.
Good morning, Maya. How are you today?
I'm doing very well. What about you?
I'm great. You look excited today.
Yes, because I'm traveling to Kolkata.
That's wonderful. Is it a business trip or a family visit?
It's a family visit. My cousin invited me.
When was the last time you visited Kolkata?
Almost 1 year ago.
Then this trip must be very special.
Absolutely. I can't wait to meet my relatives.
Do you enjoy train journeys?
Yes, very much. I love watching nature through the window.
That's my favorite part too.
Shall we enter the station?
Yes, let's go. The station looks very crowded today.
Yes, there are people everywhere.
Railway stations are always full of energy.
I agree. Everyone is going somewhere.
Some are going to work.
Some are going on vacation.
And some are visiting family members.
Just like me.
Exactly.
I enjoy observing different people.
Every traveler has a unique story.
That's true.
Traveling teaches us many things.
Such as patience and responsibility.
Well said.
Arjun, I need to buy my ticket.
No problem. Let's find the ticket counter.
Can you see any signs?
Yes, there's a sign over there.
Let's follow it.
Sure.
This station is larger than I expected.
Yes, thousands of passengers use it daily.
That's impressive.
Railway transportation is very important.
Especially for long-distance travel.
Exactly.
I think I can see the ticket counter now.
Great. Let's go there.
Oh no. The queue is very long.
Don't worry. It moves quickly.
I hope so.
How often do you travel by train?
Maybe 3 or 4 times a year.
That's not bad.
What about you?
I travel almost every month.
Really?
Yes, mostly for work.
You must know a lot about train travel.
A little bit.
What is your favorite thing about trains?
Meeting different people and seeing new places.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I love the peaceful journey.
That's a good reason.
Finally, it's my turn.
Yes, go ahead.
Good morning. 1 ticket to Kolkata, please.
I hope there are seats available.
The staff is checking.
What did they say?
Good news. Seats are available.
That's wonderful.
Here is my ticket.
Congratulations.
Now I feel relaxed.
One important task is complete.
Yes, now we can find the platform.
That's our next step.
This journey is becoming exciting already.
The adventure has just begun.